day 7 here, and this morning was coming up the balcony. Let's continue on tour. Outdoor dining area, some soothing area. Oh, Wyatt. Thanks. And here we have our indoor.
Now how can we get this back?
Fascinating. We also have the terrace area in the backyard. And this pool is actually quite big. And over here, this is the craziest thing ever. You come down the stairs, you come across this area, a sitting area, waiting area, and down here, you have your own dock. Literally, you have your own dock. So this leads to the backyard. We have some kayaks and our dock. And we have beautiful ducks. This is the best Airbnb ever. And you know what? This river is not public. It's only for the visitors. So you come up the stairs. There's a long staircase, but with carpet, so it's has some fall protection. We have the master bedroom. So this bedroom also has a balcony. And this balcony it looks out to our beautiful dock and our second balcony down there.